Mangoes begin their journey long before they enter the factory. They grow in large orchards where climate, irrigation, and soil conditions are carefully managed. Each tree produces fruit over many months, developing sweetness, color, and texture gradually. When the mangoes reach optimal ripeness, harvesting begins. Trained workers move systematically through the orchard, selecting fruit based on firmness and skin color. Every mango is handled gently to prevent bruising. Once picked, the fruit is placed into ventilated crates that allow air circulation during transport. Harvested mangoes are gathered at collection points within the orchard. From there, they are loaded onto transport vehicles and moved directly to the processing facility. Speed is critical at this stage, as freshness determines final product quality. Upon arrival at the factory, the crates are unloaded in a controlled sequence. Mangoes are transferred onto intake conveyors that carry them into the facility. Each batch is registered, allowing the system to track the fruit through every stage of processing. Initial inspection begins immediately. Workers and automated systems identify damaged or unsuitable fruit early in the process. Only mangoes that meet quality standards are allowed to continue. The conveyor never stops. Movement remains steady and continuous. Hygiene is strictly controlled throughout the facility. All surfaces are cleaned regularly, and airflow is carefully managed. The mangoes move toward the washing systems, where multiple processing lines operate simultaneously. Washing begins as the fruit enters circulating water channels. Dirt, dust, and surface residue separate from the mango skins. The water gently carries the fruit forward while overhead spray nozzles provide a final rinse. Each mango is cleaned evenly from every angle. As the fruit exits the wash, excess water drains away. The mangoes transition smoothly onto dry conveyor belts. Here, workers stand along the line, visually inspecting size, shape, and surface condition. Defective fruit is removed manually without interrupting the flow. Rejected mangoes drop into separate chutes below. Approved mangoes remain on the main conveyor and continue forward. Optical sensors analyze each fruit individually, scanning color, shape, and uniformity. Based on this data, the mangoes are automatically separated into grading lanes. Uniform groups begin to form. Consistency becomes visible as mangoes of similar size and quality move together. A final human inspection confirms the automated results. The conveyor speed increases slightly. Mechanical guides align each mango precisely for the next stage. Gravity assists as the fruit transfers into feed hoppers. The hoppers fill evenly, ensuring a constant supply to the processing equipment. As the fruit exits the wash, excess water drains away. The mangoes transition smoothly onto dry conveyor belts. Here, workers stand along the line, visually inspecting size, shape, and surface condition. Defective fruit is removed manually without interrupting the flow. The conveyor speed increases slightly. Mechanical guides align each mango precisely for the next stage. Gravity assists as the fruit transfers into feed hoppers. The hoppers fill evenly, ensuring a constant supply to the processing equipment. Peeling begins. Mangoes enter enclosed peeling machines where skins are removed cleanly and efficiently. The exposed flesh remains intact as peel waste is diverted away on a separate conveyor. Peeled mangoes advance into cutting systems. Hidden blades slice the fruit into uniform sections. Seeds are separated automatically and removed from the main line. Only clean mango flesh continues forward. The flesh enters pulping machines, where rotating drums crush the fruit into a smooth puree. The texture changes gradually as solid pieces become liquid. The puree exits through sealed outlets and flows into stainless steel pipelines. Flow rate is carefully controlled. The mango puree travels through an organized network of pipes toward heat treatment. Inside sealed tanks, the puree is gently heated. Agitators ensure even temperature distribution throughout the liquid. Pasteurization eliminates harmful microorganisms while preserving flavor and color. Sensors monitor temperature, pressure, and flow continuously. Once heat treatment is complete, cooling systems gradually reduce the temperature. The texture stabilizes. The finished puree enters holding tanks. Levels rise evenly as the system prepares for filling. Automated sampling systems extract small amounts for quality testing. Only batches that meet specifications move forward. Empty containers arrive at the filling stations. They are positioned precisely beneath filling nozzles. Mango puree is dispensed with exact volume control. Each container fills cleanly, then moves forward. Lids are applied automatically. Seals close securely without leaks. The containers pass through sterilization tunnels where controlled heat ensures safety. After exiting, surfaces are dry and intact. Labeling machines apply labels evenly as containers continue along the conveyor. Alignment is verified visually and electronically. Final inspections remove any remaining defects. Approved products move into carton forming stations. Flat cardboard is shaped into boxes around the containers. Cartons fill efficiently and are sealed shut. Finished cartons are stacked onto pallets in uniform layers. Protective wrap secures each load. Pallets are transferred into organized warehouse storage lanes.
See the fluctuation on line 5? I need that stabilized before the next shift.
Inventory systems track every pallet. Forklifts transport goods safely toward loading bays. Pallets are loaded into transport vehicles in a precise sequence. Once loading is complete, the doors close. The trucks depart the facility, carrying finished mango products to distribution centers. From there, the products move onward to retailers. Finally, they reach consumers. From orchard to factory, and from processing to packaging, every step is designed for efficiency, safety, and consistency. This is how mangoes become a finished product through continuous motion, precise control, and modern food processing technology.